Hello, today we're going to talk about the Pes Anserinus, the anatomy and the easy ways to remember it. So the Pes Anserinus, which means goose's foot in Latin, is a group of 3 tendons that attach to the medial, so the inner side of the tibia, just below the knee joint. These tendons are from 3 different muscles located in the thigh, the Sartorius, the Gracilis, and the Semitendinosus, and together they form a structure resembling a goose's foot, which is how the term Pes Anserinus came about. So what muscles are involved in the Pes Anserinus? So the first one is Sartorius. So this muscle runs down the length of the thigh. It originates from the anterior superior iliac spine of the pelvis. Now it assists in flexing the knee, flexing and externally rotating the hip, and is commonly known for enabling the tailor's sitting position, so cross-legged sitting. Sometimes this muscle is also referred to as the tailor muscle. Then we have the gracilis. Now the gracilis runs along the inner thigh, originating from the pubic bone of the pelvis. Now this muscle helps with hip adduction, so ADD, as well as knee flexion. And then we have semitendinosus. So this is one of the hamstring muscles. So the semitendinosus runs along the back of the thigh and it originates from the ischial tuberosity, so the sitting bone. Now it helps extend the hip and flex the knee, and also when the knee is at 90 degrees it does internal rotation of the knee as well. So these 3 muscles come from different compartments of the thigh but converge on the medial side of the tibia to form the Pes Anserinus. Now this area is also supported by a bursae, which is a fluid-filled sac, and this helps reduce friction between the tendons and the bone during knee movement. Now anatomy is always hard to learn, so it's always good to put kind of phrases and quirky things to remember it. So an easy way to remember the muscles that make up the Pes Anserinus is to use the kind of saying, say grace before tea. So S stands for Sartorius, G stands for Gracilis, and T stands for semitendinosus. And again, remember these 3 muscles insert together on the medial side of the tibia to form the Pes Anserinus, which is sometimes referred to as the goose's foot due to its shape.